Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Great Swiss Cookery. Today I'm going to show you how to cook crab sticks crackers. Our ingredients: 1 packet of crab sticks and cornstarch. First, peel crab sticks into thin strips. And sieve in cornstarch. Make sure to mix cornstarch evenly. Heat oil. Fry the crab sticks. Do not stir immediately. Fry over medium heat. Use chopsticks for stirring. Fry crab sticks until golden brown. Drain excess oil on paper towel. Allow them to fully cool before storing in airtight container. Enjoy your snacks. Thanks for watching.